All right, Green Thumb Gardening family. Elijah Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. We're bringing you guys this afternoon's video from here at Little Creek Homestead. And in this video, we're going to be conducting a banana harvest from this stand of banana plants here, located right in front of Little Creek Homestead. We have about 5 or 6 banana plants, I think maybe even 7 or 8 total in this stand of banana plants. And although some of our plants are huge, those huge banana plants you see up there are the youngest, some of the younger plants in this stand. We're going to be conducting this harvest, today's harvest from this somewhat short banana plant here. In the back of this stand here has a rack of about 6 bananas on it. These things are harvest ready. I could actually come out here about a month ago and harvest these bananas, but I chose to leave them on the plant at that time because we were in the midst of harvesting another huge rack of bananas that I showed you guys in a harvest video maybe 2 weeks ago here now. At any rate, I'm going to get in here and get this rack of bananas wiped away from this plant. Bring that rack of bananas close up to the camera and show you guys what it looks like. And later on this afternoon, once it cools down a bit, we're going to come back out here. We're going to go ahead and chop this banana plant down. We're going to do that because we know that once a banana plant produces a rack of bananas and you harvest those bananas, the plant immediately begins to die. And we don't need a bunch of excess trash growing around our food forest in the fall and winter months. So we want to let this plant naturally die back and shed these leaves all over our food forest. We'll whack this plant down, get it chopped up into smaller pieces, take those smaller pieces and mulch in our other banana plant here in our backyard food forest. At any rate, I'm going to get my camera mounted on my trusty chest mount here, I think. You guys probably won't be in the frame as I wipe this rack of bananas from this plant, but I'll bring it up closer to the camera so I get it whacked away, show you what it looks like. And we'll get that rack of bananas inside of our home in a cool, dimly lit room for the harvesting process. Okay. All right, Green Thumb Gardening family, we're back, and I'm almost certain that I don't have you guys in the frame as I whack away this rack of bananas. But at any rate, I'm going to go ahead and get it done so we can get this rack of bananas inside of our house to begin the ripening process. All right. Let's see what we've activated here. Go ahead and wipe that leaf off and let it drop. I'm gonna bring this rack of bananas up close to the camera here at this point, and hoping I'm getting you guys in the frame for this small rack of bananas. But we're thankful for this harvest nevertheless, as we're thankful for all of our harvest of whatever we grow here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently are watching this video on our 5th or 6th harvest of bananas from our backyard food forest this year, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take a moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, harvesting another rack of bananas from our backyard food forest, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching.